417 billion SHIB shifted by mysterious wallet as yesterday's SHIB burns plunge. Let's check this out right now. This is big news coming from Shiba Inu. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. You see it right here, 417.3 billion. SHIB on the move, 3 trillion gets purchased. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, as nearly 500 million SHIB or Shiba Inu meme coins was sent into a single transaction, details provided by Etherscan shown that this was a transaction from one Binance wallet to another. Now, the fiat equivalent of this sum is this amount. That's over 4 million. Over 4 million. Now, exchanges in Wales have become active recently, moving around large sums, a large amount of Shiba Inu. Now, on October 18th, a notable sum SHIB was transferred to a blank wallet carrying this amount of meme coin. But the market may have witnessed an emergency of a new SHIB whale. Now look at this. This could be a new SHIB whale transferred from one unknown wallet to another unknown one. So things are going really interesting in Shiba Inu land. This amount of meme coin is worth over $34 million. Now, SHIB burn diminishing. Check this out. I've noticed that the SHIB burns have been diminishing. And if you look at the chart, it shows it right there. Now, according to a recent tweet published by SHIB burn Twitter account that tracks the removal of SHIB from the circulating supply, only has as little as this amount of Shiba Inu coins have been burned during the period of the past 24 hours. So that's over 10 million. Now, the most recent data from the website shows a number twice as big, which is this amount, showing the burn rate of the meme coin has increased by 649.92%. So you see the amount of SHIB right there and the burn rate right there. So you're seeing things are actually moving and shaking in SHIB, but we got to wait and see what happens because a lot of whales or some unknown mysterious wallets, we're seeing SHIB going from one place to another. We'll see what happens by the end of the year of Shiba Inu in terms of price, the volume, and how many wallets will SHIB end up by the end of 2022. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next video.